Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add Moonbeam into your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, log in into your account. If you don't know how to log in into your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in into your account, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Just simply tap on this icon. Now click on search bar and search for Moonbeam. Once you search for it, now enable or toggle this option. After you toggle the option, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage, scroll down and click on Moonbeam and click on Receive. Once you click on Receive, you will be provided with unique QR code or wallet address. With the help of this wallet address, you will be able to receive Moonbeam from your other crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Moonbeam to your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.